Have you ever felt stuck, wondering why you can't seem to move forward despite trying everything? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with self-doubt that keeps us awake at night, replaying missed opportunities and questioning our every decision. That restlessness, that constant battle in your mind, it's exhausting. We've been told that self-help is the answer. Read more books, listen to more podcasts, try one more technique. But here's the problem. Generic advice treats symptoms, not root causes. Motivation fades quickly, and without deeper understanding, we fall back into old patterns. Real growth requires more than surface-level fixes. Here's the truth. Self-doubt isn't who you are. It's a learned habit, something you picked up along the way. The good news? What's learned can be unlearned. You're not broken. You're just operating with outdated programming. It's time to embrace a growth mindset and rewrite your story. So what's the fix? 3 simple habits that will transform your journey. These aren't complicated strategies or time-consuming routines. They're small, manageable steps that create massive shifts in how you see yourself and your potential. Habit 1. Celebrate your micro-wins. Every small step forward deserves recognition. Finished a task? Acknowledge it. Made progress? Celebrate it. These tiny victories build momentum and rewire your brain to focus on progress, not perfection. Habit 2. Set tiny, achievable goals. Instead of overwhelming yourself with massive objectives, break them down into bite-sized pieces. Small wins lead to big transformations. One step at a time, you'll build the confidence you've been searching for. Habit 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is uniquely yours. Someone else's chapter 20 isn't your chapter 1. Appreciate how far you've come, honor your own timeline, and trust that you're exactly where you need to be. Now, here's what matters most. Don't just feel inspired. Take action. One small step today is worth more than endless planning tomorrow. Real change happens when you move forward, even if it's just an inch at a time. Ready to go deeper? Join Mastering Confidence, a free program designed to give you actionable guidance to overcome self-doubt and embrace your unique journey. No fluff, just real strategies that work. Your transformation starts now.